After a rainy and muddy ride, your mountain bike always needs some care if you want it to last longer and perform at its best. Start by removing the mud and dirt with some water. Pay special attention to the drivetrain and remove any debris or dirt built up on it. Be careful not to spray water directly into sensitive parts like bearings and seals. I also use a degreaser and a brush to remove the dirt lubricant. Be careful not to contaminate your brake discs or brake pads, and never spray dirty water directly onto them. After that, I use a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining mud from the bike and chain. And then I do a final rinse with clean water. In the next phase, it's very important to dry your bike properly. I use an air compressor to speed up the process on hard-to-reach areas in the drivetrain. And the dry microfiber clothes for the rest of the bike. Finally, don't forget to lubricate your bike properly. I use chain wax on the drivetrain. WD-40 on the pedals, and some dry lubricant on the suspension fork extensions and dropper seat post extension. That's it. I hope this video helps you with your bike maintenance routines. Feel free to subscribe, leave a like, or ask any question in the comments. Thanks! I will see you on the next video.